Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling course.
When we are handling large data, there is bound to have duplicate entries. In this video, let us see how to identify and remove duplicate entries. Now, in this sheet, we have some student data. You can see here the names Roshini and Pavitra is repeated here. We are able to find this out because the name is repeated within 22 cells. If we have large data, it will be very difficult for us to find it if same details are repeated twice. In such cases, we can use this special feature. Select the entire data. Go to the Data tab and choose Remove Duplicates. The Remove Duplicate box opens. Here, select the Data Arrays header row, as the header row will not be counted. Select all the columns and choose Remove Duplicates. Now you can see the message box shows the count of the duplicates that have been removed from the data. Now click on OK. Roshini and Pavitra have been removed as they had the same details. I am going to bring back the previously removed duplicates by clicking on Ctrl Z. Let's now change the ID number of Pavitra and Roshini. And again go to Data, choose Remove Duplicates and select Remove Duplicates. You can see they have not been deleted. This is because only if the same details are available, it will be deleted. If there are different details, it will not be removed. Let me show you another method to remove duplicates by using a unique function. Enter equal to unique in this cell. Then we need to select our data and tap enter. It will automatically remove all the duplicates and give us the unique list. Let me show you how to highlight duplicate entries available in a column. Choose the column where you need to highlight the duplicates. Then go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Under the formatting rules, choose the custom formula from the drop-down. Enter the formula equal to COUNTIF, open the brackets, A1 colon A comma A1, close the brackets, greater than sign and 1. Now choose any color we need to highlight the duplicates and choose Done. You can see a few names are highlighted. This is because the names are repeated more than once. These are the ways to remove and highlight duplicates in G Sheet, whereas in MX Excel, this will differ. To highlight duplicate in MS Excel, we need to select the range as shown in the image here, go to Conditional Formatting, choose the option Highlighted Cell Rules, and then choose Duplicate Values for the duplicates to be highlighted as I am showing here. In this session, we have learned how to remove and highlight duplicates from our data. We also have some add-ons available in Google Store that can be used to remove highlight duplicates. Let me show you quickly from where we can get them. Go to Add-ons, choose Get Add-ons. A search box will be displayed here. Search for Remove Duplicates. Then select the app and choose Install. It will get added to our sheet. To find the add-on in our sheet, go to Add-ons at the top here. We can see Remove Duplicates. Let's choose to find duplicate or unique cells. It asks us the range. We will choose the B column and click on OK. B column and click OK. Now click on Next. We need to find duplicates, so click on Next. We now need the duplicates to be highlighted with a color. Finally, now click on Finish. In the B column, we can see that the duplicates have been highlighted. Today, we have learned how to highlight and remove duplicates entries in G Sheet and Excel. Thank you.